Hi guys, today you're back at my channel for a little unboxing and review. And please stay tuned because you can win this car, because it's gonna be a giveaway. So please watch the full video and see the description how you can make a chance to win this car. So let's unbox it. The car I'm reviewing this time is a 1/18 scale Golf Mark III convertible or Cabriolet, as we say in Europe, from Norev. So let's take it out and let's see what we were working with this time, because it's gonna be a custom build, as always. Car doesn't have any opening parts, and it will stay like that. But it's already very detailed. It's got a full interior and even got real carpet in it. The underside is nicely detailed too. For this price, it's really not a bad car. The paint is good, even got working wheels. Yeah, it's a nice car. Okay, that was it for this time. Please leave a note, comment, share, subscribe, like, and please stay tuned. You can win this car, so take a look at my description. I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.